In this tutorial I show you how to convert text into shape in Adobe Illustrator. Select Rectangle tool and draw in shape. Hold Alt and make corners as curve. Choose Move tool and press Alt and drag to make a copy of the rectangle. Then go to Shape Builder tool. Press Alt for minus and Shift for plus and drag on rectangle to build in shape. Click on Text tool and create in text. Go to Properties and change text color and text size. Press Alt and drag for make a copy of the text and double click the text and change it. Select the knife tool and slice the shape. Select the text, right click on it, go to Arrange and send text to back of the shape. Select both text and shape by drag on it and press Ctrl plus Alt plus C to convert text into shape.